Hi there, it's Tim. I'm here with Hannah, and we have found ourselves on a tennis court with people playing. I don't know what we're going to do here. What do you think?
We'll ignore them. We're fine.
We'll have fun. If we get kicked off, we get kicked off.
That's not even tennis.
I don't know what they're playing. It's bizarre. Anyway, we are on tennis courts. Hannah's looking amazing. She's got 3 outfits. We're going to have a little fun with the tennis courts and sort of juxtaposition between fashion and sport. Come with us, check it out, let us know what you think. Make sure you follow Hannah on Instagram. Your Instagram account is
Hannah Sinead.
down below. Have an awesome day, guys. Thanks for watching.